Hello everyone, this is your maths class for today. Students, now we will start a new topic, that is inverse problem on compound interest. Okay students, that means a compound interest per inverse problem. Students, as you all know that there are four variables in compound interest formula. One is a, second one is p, third one is small r, fourth one is n. Okay students, and out of these four variables, if any three variables are given, then we can calculate the fourth variable. Is that clear? That means जो compound interest formula होता है उसमें हमारे पास फोर वेरिएबल होते हैं. ओके, ए पी आर एन. ओके एंड स्टूडेंट्स, इनमें से कोई भी थ्री आपको गिवन होंगे क्वेश्चन में एंड फोर्थ वन आपको फाइंड करना होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 8.3. ओके, so let's start question number 1. What sum will become rupees 1331 after 3 years at 10% per annum compound interest? स्टूडेंट्स, किस सम पर जो अमाउंट है वो इतना हो जाएगा आफ्टर 3 ईयर्स, मीन्स 3 ईयर्स के बाद किस रेट पर? 10% के रेट पर. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो हमें क्या करना है? हमें सबसे पहले वही लेट करना है जो वैल्यू में फाइंड करनी है. व्हाट सम, दैट मीन्स लेट द प्रिंसिपल बी P. Okay, let the principal be P. Okay, principal हमें find करना है and that is the amount. Okay, so that is amount given 1331. Okay, and student, that is time here, that is 3 years. Okay, and that is rate is, that is 10%. Okay, is that clear? Now, as you all know that what is the formula of compound interest, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. So students, as you can see here, there are four values and out of these three values are given. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we can find the fourth one, that is principal. Okay, so now put the value of these things. So amount is here, that is principal, so we don't have, so it will be same. 1 plus r, that means 10 upon 100 raised to the power n, that means 3. Okay student, 1331 is equal to P into, student, this 0 cancel by this 0, so 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to the power 3, that is, okay, and that is P, and that is 10 into 1, that is 10 plus 1, 11, 11 upon 10 raised to the power 3. Okay students, now 1331 is equal to P into 11 upon 10, 11 upon 10, 11 upon 10. Okay students, and students जो वैल्यू डिवाइड में है वो मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाएगी एंड जो मल्टीप्लाई में है वो डिवाइड में हो जाएगी. सो वी कैन राइट एज P इज इक्वल टू 1331 into, that will be multiplied here 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, and that will be divided here. Okay students, and students, as you all know that this is the cube of 11, so that means it will be cut by 121 times and it will be cut by 11 times and that will be cut by 1 time. Okay, so we have 10 into 10 into 10, so that means P is equal to 1000 rupees. Okay students, hence the sum will be rupees 1000. Okay, so that is your answer. Is that clear? Okay, now the next question is question number 2. What sum will become rupees 10,580 after 2 years at 15% per annum compound interest? Students, कितना sum after 2 years ये हो जाएगा? Okay, किस रेट पर? 15% के रेट पर. So students, first of all we let the principal बी P. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हमने प्रिंसिपल को लेट किया P एंड स्टूडेंट दैट इज द अमाउंट हेयर, अमाउंट दैट इज 10,580 एंड स्टूडेंट दैट इज द टाइम हेयर, सो मीन्स एंड दैट इज 2 years. ओके, एंड दैट इज आर, दैट इज 15%. ओके, एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, तो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू ऑल नो दैट देयर आर 4 things, but you all know that only 3 things. Okay, so you can find this. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. Amount that will be 10,580 is equal to P will be same, and that is 1 plus R, that is 15 upon 100 raised to the power n, that means 2. Okay, now we will calculate it. That is 5 3s are 15 and that is 5 2s are 10, 0, 20. Okay, so we have 10,580 is equal to, that is P, and that is 1 plus 3 upon 20 raised to the power 2. Okay, here 10,580 is equal to P into, so student, that is 20 into 1, that is 20 plus 3, 23. 23 upon 20 raised to the power 2. Okay, so we can write as 10,580 is equal to P into 23 upon 20, 23 upon 20. Okay, here we can write as P is equal to 10,580 into, that is multiplied here 20 into 20, and that is divided here. Okay, 23 divided by 23. Okay, so students, it cut by 23, that is 460 time, and that is cut by 23, that is 20 time. Okay, so the students, we have P is equal to 20 into 20 into 20. So that means P is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8,000. Okay, students, so then the sum will be rupees 8,000. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay, students, now the next question is question number 3. In how much time would rupees 1,600 amount to rupees 2,025 at 12.5% per annum compound interest? Okay, student, that means कितने टाइम में जो अमाउंट है 1,600 वो 2025 हो जाएगा 12.5% पर रेट पर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्लियर? सो दैट मीन्स कितने टाइम में. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमें यहाँ पर क्या लेट करना है, टाइम. सो लेट द टाइम बी एन. ओके, कितने टाइम में. सो मीन्स हमने क्या लेट किया यहाँ पर, एन टाइम को. ओके, सो नाउ वी राइट द गिवन थिंग्स. सो दैट इज 1,600. सो स्टूडेंट, दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स, इसके बाद ये इसका अमाउंट होगा. मीन्स अमाउंट तो ये भी होता है, बट जो स्टार्टिंग में लिखा होता है फर्स्ट टाइम मीन्स वो प्रिंसिपल होता है, एंड सेकेंड टाइम मीन्स आफ्टर 2 years, आफ्टर 3 years समथिंग. सो दैट मीन्स वो अमाउंट होता है. ओके, एंड प्रिंसिपल कम होता है, अमाउंट ज़्यादा होता है, क्योंकि प्रिंसिपल में कुछ ऐड होके अमाउंट आता है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दैट इज द अमाउंट हेयर 2025, and that is the rate here 12.5%. Okay, clear? Okay, now as you can see here, there are 4 things, and out of these 3 variables are given. We will calculate this n. Okay, so here A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. So A is equal to, that is 2025, P is here 1,600, and that is 1 plus R, that is 12.5 upon 100 raised to the power n. So students, it will be same. Okay, now 2025 is equal to 1,600, and students 1 plus this cancel by 1 0. So students, now we will calculate it. We have 1 plus, that is 125 upon 1,000. Okay, so now we will cut here. Students, 5 to the 10, 5 5 so 25, and that is 5 to the 10, that is 200. And students, 25 8s are 200. So students, we have 1 upon 8 raised to the power n. Here that is 2025 is equal to 1,600. Students, we can calculate it. 8 1s are 8 plus 1, that is 9 upon 8 raised to the power n. Okay, clear? So that means we have 2025 upon 1,600 is equal to 9 upon 8 raised to the power n. Okay, we will cut by 5. So 5 3s are 15. Okay students, and that is 5 2s are 10, and that is 0. Okay, and now 5 4s are 20, 0, 5 5s are 25. Okay, one more time. So 5 6s are 30, and 5 4s are 20, and that is 5 8s are 40, and 5 1s are 5. So students, we have 81 upon 64 is equal to 9 upon 8 raised to the power n. एंड स्टूडेंट, जिस फॉर्म में ये है लेफ्ट साइड भी हमें उसी फॉर्म में करनी है, मीन्स पावर वाली फॉर्म में होनी चाहिए दोनों साइड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन फाइंड इजीली व्हाट इज द n here. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू ऑल नो दैट इज द 9 square, that is the 8 square also. So students, we can write as 9 upon 8 square is equal to 9 upon 8 raised to the power n. As you can see here, that is base are same, so that means power will be same also. So that is 2 is equal to n, or we can write as n is equal to 2 years. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so that is your answer. Okay students, now the next question is question number 4. Find the rate percentage at which a sum of rupees 8,000 will amount to rupees 9,261 after 3 years of compound interest. Okay, that means आपको वो रेट परसेंटेज फाइंड करना है जिस पर जो सम है 8,000 रुपीज़ वो इतना हो गया आफ्टर 3 years. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास क्या नहीं है? रेट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट द रेट बी R. Okay, now we write the given thing. So that is the principal here, 8,000 rupees. Okay, that is the amount here, 9,261, and that is the time here, 3 years. Okay, students, we will use the formula of compound interest, that is amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. Here amount is, that is 9,261, and principal is here, that is 8,000, that is 1 plus, we don't have R, so it will be as it is, upon 100 raised to the power 3. Okay, now it will become here, so that is 9,261 upon 8,000 is equal to, that is 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 3. Okay, now so student, कैन सी हेयर, दिस इज द फॉर्म ऑफ क्यूब. जब ये क्यूब में है, सो ये भी क्यूब में हो सकता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू टेल मी, तो क्या आप बता सकते कि ये किसका क्यूब होता है? यस स्टूडेंट्स, 8,000 तो 20 का क्यूब होता है. एंड स्टूडेंट, दिस इज 21 क्यूब. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट एज 21 अपॉन 20 होल क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस R अपॉन 100 raised to the power 3. Okay, so now 21 upon 20 is equal to, that is 1 plus R upon 100. How? Because powers are same, so that means base will be same here. Okay, now that is 21 upon 20, and this one will become here, that is minus 1 is equal to R upon 100. Okay, so now that is 21 minus 20, that is 1 upon 20 is equal to R upon 100. Okay, here R is equal to this 100 will this side upon 20, so that means R is equal to 25 the 100, so that means R is equal to 5%. Okay, so that means rate will be 5% here, so that is your answer. Okay, so now that's all for today, and students, if you have any doubts, so you can comment to me. Thank you, have a nice day.